stylish and office wear collection just for you. You can see the styles on the dummy also, black color, golden color, green color, maroon color, all these colors just for you, all this collection just for you. You're going to get this collection just for B2B, not for B2C. So watch the video till the end. I'm going to disclose the price for you. Hello family, how are you? So everyone is looking for something which they can sell 12 months. So today I have brought you office wear collection, stylish, comfortable and very good fabric, and the color is very guaranteed. And you can see I have brought you 4 designs. In every design you're going to get one set like this. You'll get the same color, same designs in 4 sizes: large, medium, XL, double XL. And on the table I have brought you some collections. You can see the first piece, evergreen maroon color, and you can see the neck area also. It is going to come with real mirror, pearl and the sequence work. Now I am going to show you the kurta. You can see it's in modal fabric and it's very comfortable for the office going women who are going to wear this, because if you are owning a shop, every woman wants a collection they can wear on the daily basis, and it's very comfortable for the women to wear. And even on the pants you can see how comfortable it's it, and you can see the extra fabric section also. You can see the elastic also. If I talk about the dupatta, you're going to get 2.15 meter dupatta. You can see how beautiful and comfortable dupatta you are going to have. And in this collection, you want more color, more design, you're going to get it. But in this particular design, you're going to get one set, medium, large, XL, double XL, one combo. Now let's come up with the next collection, golden color collection. Very stylish, very comfortable. You can see golden color, and on the neck again you can going to see the pearl work, mirror work and the sequence work. And in this also, in this combo, you are going to get medium, large, XL, double XL. And if you want to order this, you can directly take the screenshot and send it to our numbers on the WhatsApp, or even you can video call. COD facility is available. You just have to pay 10%, rest 90% on the delivery. And if you're liking this collection, you can comment down. We will reply it to you, and even we will give the numbers to you. If you are in the Surat, if you are planning to come to Surat, you can directly visit us, and there is no MOQ. You can order one set also, one combo also. Now let's go to the next piece. You can see this beautiful black and very stylish, very comfortable. Comes with a pearl work and the mirror work and the sequence work on the neck. You can see the Chinese collar design. And if you want the dummy piece, you can see the dummy piece also very beautiful. And I'll tell you about the comfortable. I am wearing this piece. Every woman wants something comfortable but stylish. So this is very beautiful. Let's hop into last piece, very trendy color. You can see green color with the blue flowers. And on the neck you can see again pearl work, mirror work and the sequence work. And I talk about the bottom wear, you are going to get contrast bottom wear plus with a contrast dupatta. And this all collection just for, are you ready? 5 to 9 is the price. Yes, you heard it right. So if you want to grab this collection, order now, only for B2B, not for B2C. So this is your channel. Like, comment and share. And what you want to watch next, comment down below. So let's meet in the next video.